boys and 3 girls. And 1 Mama Lucky. This little guy is Simon. He's a boy. This one is Beans. He's also a boy. This is Bandit. He's the 3rd boy. This little gray and white one is Boots. She's a girl. And this one is called Goot. She's a girl too, and I think her eyes are about to open. This black one is called Shadow. She's the biggest one, and she was the first one born. And this is a very tired mama cat. Lucky. And this one, Aunty Zuma, the jealous one. Zuma, where's your toy? Go get your toy. Go get it. Zuma, go get your toy. Where's your toy? Who's barking? Is that Max? Where's Max?